Hi friends, today I am studying about coordinate geometry, chapter 7, exercise 1, 9th problem, third bit. Okay. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. So the points are 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. Okay. First, name it as A points are 4, 5. Let A points are 4, 5. B points are 7, 6. C points are 4, 3. And D points are 1, 2. Quadrilateral means it is having 4 sides. It is having 4 sides. Whether it is a square or a parallelogram or rhombus. Check it by finding the distances. Okay. First go to the AB. Find the distance between AB. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 6 minus 5 whole square is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3 square plus 6 minus 5 is 1 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus 1 square root of 10. Okay, after that finding the distance between BC. Finding the distance between BC. BC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square means 4 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 3 minus 6 whole square is equal to, this is minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 6 is minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 3 whole square is minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 minus 3 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus plus 3 into 3 9. Okay, square root of 18. Square root of 18 can be written as square root of 18 can be written as root 2 into 9 equal to 3 into root 2 units. Okay. After that, find the distance between CD. Find the distance between C and D. Find the distance between CD. CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 is 2 minus 3 whole square is equal to 1 minus 4 means minus 3 whole square plus 2 minus 3 is minus 1 whole square. Okay, so is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9 plus minus 1 whole square is 1 square root of 10. It seems to be like, I think, parallelogram. Okay, so this is x1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, dA is equal to distance between dA x2 minus x1 whole square 4 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3 square plus 5 minus 2 is 3 square is equal to square root of 9 plus 9 is equal to square root of 18 is equal to root 2 into 9 equal to 3 root 2 units. Okay, after that, finding the diagonals AC, BD. Okay, find the diagonals AC and BD. AC, okay. AC is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square means 4 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square 3 minus 5 whole square. This is 0. 3 minus 5 whole square is minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 whole square is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is equal to 2. In the same way, B and D. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to 1 minus 7 whole square plus y2 2 minus 6 whole square 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square equal to 1 minus 7 is minus 6 whole square 2 minus 6 means minus 4 whole square. So is equal to, this is 36, this is 16. Okay, square root of 52. 6 6 are 36, minus into minus plus 36 plus minus into minus plus 4 4 are 16. 36 plus 16 is 52 means therefore AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Okay, AC is not equal to BD, hence it is a parallelogram. Hence it is a parallelogram. Okay, right?